and then done the magnetic from pulling from outside their body. Then have your partner just touch different parts of the body and then run the energy in my back, in there, and then you just switch it on. And if you're having difficulty, so let's say you touch a part of the body and I don't get in, I relax and open them first, and then from that openness I can put a bit of power. So you just do the release and dissolve the matrix. They'll start to go, and then power it up through that opening. So there's the touch there. I've got them open, and then pulse the energy through the gap. If you magnetic will just go through anyway, but if you've got them more open, it'll amplify the effect. So you take that time to get the matrices open, and do it all around the body, magnetic and electric. So pushing on the inside of the legs and all different areas, and the way you guide the energy out. You may want to use spirals and different patterns in how you do that. Keep going. Yep.
When you're doing this, are you using the body as the engine? Is that what initiates the...
You can, for this, mostly your own body. Yeah, mostly your own body, because you're switching the energy in your body. But then you can make, let's say I switch the engine inside me, and then I feel your body. Now I've got resonance with the water element inside you, then it'll have more effect, because I've relaxed the water element in his body to the surface, so it'll react with me. So when you release your partner, you want to resonate, so your energy can punch them and affect them. But if I just use magnetism as my body as an engine, and I haven't set him up, the effect won't be as dramatic. So the difference between those two is quite strong. The first one is I'm pumping the energy out and it's just catching a part of him. But when I relax him to the frequency I'm on, I catch more of him as the reaction happens. And then you can set up the space a little bit more and just fill that water element into the space so that you regulate the space, and the space is influenced by your mind more. Because anything in your mind can feel it can influence. Yep.